Namaste. Good morning, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we bring you an exciting story that will surely rev up your engines. The iconic Yezdi D250 Classic, a legendary two-wheeler, has been lovingly restored to its former glory by a passionate bike enthusiast, Rohit. In a world where modern motorcycles dominate the streets, there's something special about a classic bike, and Rohit has taken on the challenge of bringing back the charm of the Yezdi D250 Classic. The motorcycle, known for its timeless design and powerful performance, has undergone a remarkable restoration.